So I am presenting concrete and effective e-governance framework to get more from less for more and more. The basic concept is more from less for more and more. The aim of this research is to study, use and analyze virtualization to facilitate effective e-governance, which involves efficient and optimum use of technical resources for the improved service delivery, throughput, efficiency and cost-effective solutions, and to provide concrete framework for the e-governance. Technique is virtualization as a concept and virtual machines as an object. Effective e-governance is based on free and open source software. Then virtualization, which involves the use of single computer system as a multiple computer systems by running multiple isolated distinct operating systems at a time on the single computer system. Then it also involves using a complete virtual computer system as an object instead of file and folders. Then
5 minutes. 145
yes, I am going very fast. Then server consolidation by running client as well as server on the single computer system to save server hardware per location. Then cloud computing, which are the live virtual machines virtually accessed by the users remotely. Then leveraging shared government infrastructure. So all these framework to produce a utility computing between government, citizens, business and employees. So basically what is virtualization? It's a virtual running of the virtually developed computer system on the physical computer system. So it is a virtual isolated execution of the virtually developed computer systems on the physical computer system. So it allows a virtual isolated execution of the multiple software platforms on the same hardware simultaneously. So it allows to use a single computer system to be used as a multiple computer system. The virtual machine logically divide the single physical computer system and its resources into isolated separate parts, same like the slices of the bread, each of which works as a separate computer system, maybe as a client as well as server, and run the processes isolated to each other. On the physical computer system, the host operating system is installed, and then by using a virtual machine programming interface, that is virtual machine software, the virtual computer systems are developed and they are running isolated and simultaneously by sharing the physical hardware of the physical computer system. The operating systems which are running on the virtual mode and running on the host operating system are called as the virtual operating systems, virtual guest operating systems. So the basic virtue of this virtual machine software is that likewise normal computer operates on file and folder as an object. It operates on complete virtual computer system as an object. The methodology which we have used is that we have developed large number of virtual machines. Virtual machines of free-like, fast-like, variety of distinct operating systems of variety of versions of operating systems like Linux and Windows. Virtual machines of client and server, customize them to make them readily distributable. Virtual machines of physical machines, snapshots. This way we have developed the cloud of virtual machines. Then in order to distribute these virtual machines over wide range, we have hosted this cloud of virtual machines on the virtual data center and then distributed these ready usable virtual machines leveraging secured shared government network NICNet to the district level. Then district level, downloaded all these ready usable ready usable virtual machines and implemented at district, subdivision and tahsil level with virtualization, server consolidation to save server hardware per location, and then with software hardware portability. Yes, with software hardware portability by replicating these ready virtual machines on large number of old and new computer systems and laptops with variety of operating systems for improved service delivery, throughput and cost effectiveness with effortless deployments and backup and disaster recovery. This way all type of resources are saved. Technical resources are saved by using the less manpower, less infrastructure, effortless deployments, backup and disaster recovery, maintenance. This way technical resources are saved. With this, all type of financial resources are saved by saving server hardware per location. We have saved more than 700 servers in the state of Maharashtra. And by using all these type of resources optimization, we have saved all type of environmental resources with less machines, less space, furniture, electricity, less heat generation. This way all type of financial, technical and environmental resources are saved with reduction in pollution. Uniqueness, the main thing is more from less for more and more. Everything less human resources, less technical resources, effortless deployments and backup and disaster recovery, no financial resources. Then we have used the technical things, virtualization, using single machine as a multiple computers, virtual machine as an object, server consolidation, software hardware portability, use of the network, leverage of shared network resources, hybrid approach of dissemination of virtual machines. All the complete implementation is without any funds and expenses, and easy testing and R&D by server consolidation with server and client on the single computer system. So,
okay.
Just one minute, sir.
1 minute.
Yes.
Have you given this presentation in front of Ajay, Dr. Ajay Kumar?
No.
Your NIC DG?
No, not given.
Huh?
Not
it is
given.
a research output now at this stage.
Yes.
Nobody has used it.
Used it. It is implemented in state of Maharashtra.
State of Maharashtra,
yes,
they use that.
Yes.
So Rajesh has accepted this. Your IT, huh?
Yes. The state e-governance award is declared also for this project.
Okay.
It is not just given, but it is declared.
It's not only research. You have actually done the work.
Yes. It is research as well
Okay,
as.
I think I have to stop it.
Yes.
You can online, you can
Yes.
discuss offline.
Due to time limit, I have just presented concept
No, I can
only.
understand.
Yes.
Because the virtualization is a subject you can talk for a whole day.
Yes.
That's not the intent. Intent is that this is one of the shortlisted ones.
Yes.
In the evening, you will see what happens.
Okay.
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 Thank you.
Thank you very much.
For this effort.